Okay, continuing on with our tour, here we are in Randy's world. As long as Randy comes to work, I'm a happy camper. He just does an amazing job in here. As you can see, it's a very dirty part of the job. Basically what Randy does is he takes the hull and the deck molds. He has to trim off the pulling flanges. He has to prep all the boats, cut all the holes out, get everything ready for the assembly and the build of the boats. And as I say, he does a very good job. We also have Armando in behind the tent over here, and he's doing exactly the same thing with our small parts. Again, not as quite as dirty and dusty as Randy's world here, but every day I come to work here and I just think it's just an outstanding job for you and us. Okay, we've just left the grinding booth and now we're onto the main production floor. And the first thing we do is we bring the hull on the deck into this area here. Here we have Sonny. He's checking both the hulls and the decks by taking this very intensive light and doing a 360 around all of the parts. He's looking for any imperfections at all. Right now he's doing a wet sand, probably with a 1000 or 1200 grit sandpaper. Probably an imperfection you or I couldn't see, but Sonny's got a very trained eye and he will be doing that as well. We have Andy over here helping as well. And basically what we're doing is going over the parts very minutely, looking for any imperfections. Okay, after Andy and Sonny's processing, we come over to here where Kohler's doing an engine install here in this beautiful Chaise. What do we got here? It looks like a Chaise 550, gorgeous hornet yellow and black. We have a Volvo V6 200 going in here, extended swim platforms on. Okay. Now we're in the Holland Dec Assembly area, and Violetti here is just installing a dashboard here. He's installed the steering wheel. He's got some hardware going across the back of the transom there. He's got the stereo in here, and he's going to make everything absolutely perfect in his installation here. They have the ability here to flip the decks upside right or upside down to work on the installations, whatever it's easiest, and also the hulls are being assembled in this area as well. Here we are in the deck flipping area here, and we've got Kimberly and Kiefer doing a deck flip now on a Lante 535 or a Chaise 530. It's a very simple, safe process. Allows them to put the deck upside right or upside down, whichever would be easiest for them to assemble the hardware, the wiring harness. It's a very safe procedure and doesn't require a great deal of strength. Just use the mechanical tools. Here we have Parminder installing a beautiful Inmar engine into our Safara SV3 wakeboard towboat. Parminder has installed over 15,000 engines in Campion boats over his career at Campion. We have never had a warranty claim that we could trace back to Parminder. His workmanship is absolutely second to none. Okay, here we have Ted and Kiefer installing the headliner in an Explorer 622 walk-around. You can see how they've got the deck flipped upside down now, so it's much easier for them to work on. The wiring harnesses here. This will soon be installed in the boat. Beautifully, nicely finished in this area here. Here we have a Campion 485 Alante, and the hull and deck have just been put together. So the next step is the windshield will be going on this boat, and the upholstery will be going inside, and then the canvas goes on it. Okay, this is our upholstery department here. It is led by Dave. Dave's been with us for 30 years. Does just absolutely amazing job. He's got a wonderful crew in there. And the quality and the workmanship of the Campion upholstery is second to none. We're really proud of what they do and how they do it. The other beauty is with Dave having been here for so many years and his crew, if you have an older Campion, it's very easy to order up parts from Julie and get replacement parts, new upholstery, things like that. Here we have an absolutely gorgeous Chaise 600 that's just been finished. It has the all in-gel graphics, fantastic lettering, Everything just pops on this boat. Stainless steel rub rail, stainless steel top rail on the top of the windshield. The nice new 2015 Samson forward leaning arch tower with a bimini on it. It has the rear transom walk-through on it, easy access. Has a bow ladder on it, also has a stern ladder on it. So everybody from grandchildren to grandmothers can get in and out of the boat with no problem at all. I'd just like to thank you for joining me on this tour, and be safe on the water.